Picture this. I slapped one of my new Christmas magnet set designs right onto our fridge and bam! Instant festivity explosion. The colors are so vibrant they practically jump out at you. Last year, those cheap stickers were a joke. They peeled off before Santa even finished his cookies. But these babies, made from long-lasting vinyl, they brave snowstorms like champs, sticking strong to our whiteboard and locker surfaces. Unique magnet, unique vibe. Each custom design adds that personal flair, making our holidays pop. Seriously, grab yours now. They're flying fast.